If you're a lover of garlic bread, then you are going to want to keep watching. It's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, today I am making air fryer cheesy tortilla garlic bread. Yep, that's right. I am not using bread, I am using tortillas. Just as a side note, because of being a diabetic, I am using the carb tortillas for me, but you can absolutely use regular tortillas. This recipe is very keto friendly if you use the carbs, and then if you just don't care, don't have to worry, use the regular flour tortillas. But I am so excited to make this. It's perfect as a side dish, as a snack, to go with that spaghetti that you make, and if you forgot the garlic bread and you have tortillas, easy peasy. So let me stop talking, we'll go over all the ingredients and then we'll get started. Alrighty, so we have some minced garlic, parsley flakes, some Italian seasoning, salt, 2 flour tortillas, and these are the carb net flour tortillas, so I can eat these as being a diabetic, but you can use regular flour tortillas. I have some mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, and some softened butter. And friends, that's all the ingredients we're going to be using. Alrighty, so we're starting off with 4 tablespoons of butter, or I use margarine, friends. It is softened, so I'm going to go ahead and just flatten that out. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to put in 4 cloves of garlic, minced garlic I should say. And then we're going to put in a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and just a pinch of salt, especially if you're using the margarine and not the butter, regular butter, because it is salt in there. Now we're going to just go ahead and mix this up. You want to mix it up really well to get all that butter seasoned. Okay. And now we're going to bring over our flour tortillas. Okay, now you can do these as a single. I'm going to double it because, you know, I want it to be more like a bread. So I'm going to go ahead and take half of this and spread it out on my flour tortilla. And then the other half will go on the other one. I don't know why I'm breathing so heavy. Can you hear that? Take it to the edge. I tell you, my hands with the arthritis, just doing this. Whew. I just realized I should be preheating my air fryer. So let's get that turned on. We're going to put it on 350. Alright, air fryer is on. I'm going to take a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese and just spread that out. And another 1/4 cup over here on this one. Get it all spread out. Okay. I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of cheese, cheddar cheese on this. Okay. 1/4 cup over here. Looking good. Hope someone put that bag near the air fryer, because you know what will happen. I've done that before and it melted the bag. Then we're going to top it with some mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup of that, or however much you want to put on. Oops, and then I'm just going to gently sprinkle a little bit more Italian seasoning on the top. Oh, get some cheese there. Just like that. And then what we're going to do is put this in the air fryer separately, just for about a minute to get it starting to melt. And then I'm going to top it with the other one, because I want it, you know, like a piece of bread, not real flat. So as soon as this is done, we'll go ahead and get it in. Alrighty, we are now heated up, and we're going to pull our tray out. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put this in, and I'm going to put it in for about a minute. Alrighty, our minute is up. I'm just going to take that out and put this on top. Get it as even as possible. There we go. Just don't burn yourself. Okay, and then we're going to put this back in. I'm going to go about 3 minutes and then check it. It goes anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes, but I want to make sure we do not burn it. And I need to wash that off now. Alrighty. Oh, perfect. Now I did put that back in for 1 more minute, so I did 4 minutes. Doesn't that look, it looks like cheesy bread. Alright. Let's get it out. We're going to put it right here and let it cool before we cut it up. And then we'll do our taste test. But friends, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Alrighty, I have myself a little bit of sauce there. We're just going to cut this in triangles like we do a pizza. You can absolutely cut it in like breadstick shapes, not a problem. Friends, this smells so delicious. Once again, I know I say this a lot, I wish I had smell-o-vision. Alright, and for the final touch, we're just going to add a little bit of parsley on top. Look at that! Oh. Alright, I'm going to let it cool just for another couple of minutes, just because it's very hot and I don't want to burn my mouth. Alright, my friends, here it is. Yum, I cannot wait to try this. I'm going to try it without, it is very buttery. Very, very buttery. I'm going to adjust that recipe. I think there's too much butter on there. Way too much butter. We're going to adjust that recipe and cut it back by half. For sure. Because you definitely don't need that much butter. A little too much. Dipped in the sauce, 10 times better. Yum. Absolutely delicious. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. Friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.